Snapchat pin conversation not working. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that Snapchat pin conversation not working problem. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if your Snapchat pin conversation is not working, you can try some steps to fix that issue. So first of all, you will have to restart your app and close the app and reopen it to see if the issue resolved. If the problem still persists, you can uninstall or reinstall the app, and because uninstalling the app from your device and then reinstall it can fix many issues. So you can also reinstall this app from there, and this can help fix any issues with the app including the pin features. Also guys, you can update your app from the Play Store. Updating the app can often resolve issues with the features like pin. So guys, if the issues still persist after trying these steps, so consider reaching out to the Snapchat support for the further assistance. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.